Welcome to Lagu paTa from Solve the Virtual Lab. The objective of this simulation is to assess the strength of coarse aggregates used in the pavement components under gradually applied load and to determine the aggregate's crushing value of the given sample of aggregates. The setup used for this simulation is shown here. To understand the terminologies, click on this description which is highlighted in red. Throughout the simulation, to proceed to the next step, click on this arrow shown below. Switch on the weighing machine and place the pan in the machine. Click on the tare to clear the weight and calculate the net weight of coarse aggregates. Measure it to 3500 gram. Now place 10 mm sieve over the pan and next 12.5 mm sieves are arranged in the decreasing order of their size. Place the pan at the bottom, then add the weight quantity of coarse aggregate to the topmost sieve and close the lid. Now click on the set of sieves to place it on the mechanical shaker machine. Set the sieves in its position in the machine and switch on the machine and allow it to shake for 10 minutes. Now remove the set of sieves from the shaker machine. Open the lid. Collect the coarse aggregate retained in 10 mm sieve in a separate container. Click to transfer the coarse aggregate. Switch on the weighing machine. Click on tare to clear the weight. Now click on the cylinder to calculate the weight of empty cylinder, that is W1. Answer the proper question shown here. To proceed to the next step, click on the OK. Click on the trowel to fill the cylinder with aggregate retained on 10 mm sieve in 3 layers. Click on the tamping rod to tamp each layer of aggregate for 25 times. Similarly, this process is repeated for another 2 layers. Click here to flatten the top surface. Select the proper answer to proceed to the next step. Switch on the weighing machine and click on the tare to clear the weight. Click on this and note down the weight of cylinder with aggregates, that is W2. Click here to place the cylinder in position on base plate. Place the plunger so that it rests on surface level position. Click here to place the cylinder in position along with plunger in compression testing machine. Adjust the machine so that it touches the cylinder and plunger in proper position. Read this instruction shown here. Apply the load of 40 tons at the rate of 4 tons per minute. Switch on the machine and apply the load. Switch off the machine. Click here to release the load. Click here to remove the cylinder from the machine. Click here to remove the cylinder. Click here to remove the plunger from the cylinder. Transfer the aggregates that is present in the cylinder to 2.36 mm sieve. Close the lid and place the set of sieves in the mechanical shaker machine. Lock the sieves. Switch on the machine and shake the sieve. Remove the sieve from the mechanical shaker machine. Open the lid. Switch on the weighing machine with the plate on it. Click on tare to clear the weight. Now transfer the aggregates collected in the pan to the plate and weigh it. Weight of aggregate passing through 2.36 mm sieve is noted down. These are the following observations and results of the trial 1. You can calculate the aggregate crushing value using the following formula. Enter the calculated value. Check the result. Similarly, the same process is followed for trial 2. This is the observation for the 2 trials conducted in this simulation. Average aggregate crushing value is also found.